Actual grinding, you start the motor, you advance it forward, we're going about an inch and we're going to stop. This knob controls how much bite we take. If I turn it clockwise, it's going to lift the head. If I go counterclockwise, it's going to drop the head. We're just going to drop it just a hair. Just to hear that, just nicking noise. Once we hear that nicking noise, we can very slowly and carefully, continuing to put tension on it, grind the knife. Going nice and slow, we're taking a very light cut, and we're keeping pressure with our left hand, or if your hand gets tired, you can switch hands. And we're just hitting that very light touch. We're not seeing huge sparks. We're trying to take as little off, as evenly off, as we can. Just a nice, slow pull. We want to make sure that the cord doesn't get hung up on something and pull the grinder and cause a gouge in the stone. It's nice and gentle, so we're not in any hurry here. If we do this right, we can do it in about 5 minutes. If we do it wrong, we can spend all day. We go nice and slow. Grind all the way to the end, and then we come back. Now, when we come back, the grinder lifts up slightly, but you still keep tension, and you don't jerk. Nice and gentle. And we drop that right into our home position again.